The market has been recovering extremely well over the past week, and today we need to go and check out some real world asset tokens that are on our watch list. My name is Lamar from the real world asset watch list. Let's jump into the video. Before we do start the video, I need all of you to pause the video, go and subscribe to the channel, and make sure you are following our X. That is where it is all going down. We actually held a poll today where all of you watching right now got the opportunity to decide what we do cover on today's video. Alrighty guys, now before we do start, I want to say it is always important that we do check out our Bitcoin charts as well as our altcoin charts. Now you can see here, this was tracked from a very long time ago, the beginning of the year to be exact, and we had our flagpole breakout target for Bitcoin at 104k. We zoom in, and can you see what has happened there, guys? We hit it perfectly, so there is no surprise that we're finding resistance at this target. Our immediate support is going to be around 88k. This is a little buy zone that we have on the real world asset watch list, where if we get a chance to be buying Bitcoin, Ethereum, and our altcoins, if we have a dump down, this is going to be an amazing level of entry. So the 50-day moving average is going to be 88k, where we would expect a lot of support. Now, something we also need to keep a close eye on is the Ethereum chart. You can see here, from the lowest area of the channel, we are now up a grand total of 73%. We need to be holding the outside of this channel or a continuation of upside. You can see here the immediate short-term resistance is going to be at 4k, or $4,084 to be exact. Now, for all of you who did vote on the poll, this is coin number one, and we've actually got 3 other coins to cover in today's video, so make sure you all do stay till the end. But the Deeve token, unlocking global digital assets, every asset, every market, unlocking value with Deeve, the world's fastest, smartest, most scalable and affordable layer 1. And when we come to the coin market cap, you can see that we are still a very low market cap coin, and that is what we do on the real world asset watch list. Chart is looking super interesting. It looks like we found our bottom in September, and now we are starting to rally back up. Now, there's a lot of opportunities in these coins that are number 1 low cap and number 2 have been listed on exchanges earlier in the year. So you can see we broke out of key resistance number 1 at the 0236, which was 69 cents. Ideally, we would like to be holding this breakout and then continuing upwards. Over 6 months, we've been under this as resistance, but as of recent, with a lot of our altcoins finding strength, guys, it's now pushing up this token. And where could we be looking for our immediate short-term target, guys? I'll be looking at the 0382 to the 0.5 fib, which is going to be between $1 and $1.30. That is going to bring us anywhere between a 36 to a 73% spot return. You guys let us know what you think of this token in the comment section right now. Now, the second token on the real world asset watch list today is going to be Landshare. This was the second highest voted in the poll that we did on our X. Remember, go and follow that, go and leave a like and subscribe to the channel. This is a new way to invest in real estate. You can unlock the potential of tokenized real estate investments with Landshare's RWA ecosystem, guys. To jump into this a little bit more, you can see the RWA token is now live, a TVL of nearly 10 million. We're sitting at 8.9 million, staking APY 12%, looking really good. And then the LP farm APR is going to be nearly 50%. It is looking fantastic. Having everything on the blockchain makes it so much more easy, so much more fast, scalable, secure, and reliable for people to be investing into property. So that's why Landshare is number 2 on our real world asset watch list today. The Land token is currently sitting at $2.27. Again, another super low cap gem for all of you guys watching the video today. It is an $8 million market cap, volume up 27% for the day. That is what you'd like to be seeing in these tokens. And when we check out our trusty trading view for the Landshare token, you can see here we had a lovely bear market bottom and a massive reversal wick from 40 cents all the way to well over $1. We're now finding some resistance at the 0.5 fib, which many cryptos usually do. They usually have an affinity to the 0.5 fib all the way to the 0.618. 0.618 is going to bring us to $2.73. all-time high is going to be $4.18, which means you get a front run of around 82% before we enter price discovery and aim between $6 to $10 for Landshare. And these things are going to be super achievable, being that they are super low cap. Okay, a 200% move is only a $16 million market cap move, guys. And you do get into these projects very early, they can be very lucrative if you do hold on. Now, one of the best performing assets in the real world asset sector of this year is going to be VeChain, guys. We have got a long way to be tackling those previous all-time highs, nearly a 500% move back to the all-time high. VeChain has been making waves, sitting at a $5 billion market cap today. When we come to the daily chart for VeChain, it looks like we are now forming a pennant, and this could be gearing up for the next parabolic move for VeChain. We're at 6 cents today. It is only a matter of days before we do enter the apex. We need to be front running these things, guys, and making sure that we are exposed to a lot of real world asset tokens before their next move up, because in the grand scheme of things, when we do zoom out, you can see we've got a massive way to go before our next level of resistance. Our next level of resistance is going to be anywhere between 8 cents to 10 cents. So what we can do is we can put a little line here and say this could be resistance number 1. We've got another resistance at around 15 cents here as well, and then we're going to be tackling the all-time high at 27 cents, guys. And then last but not least, we come back to a channel favorite, which is going to be ONDO Finance, institutional grade finance, now on chain. Today ONDO is sitting at a price of $1.77. This thing is officially in price discovery, and that is where the magic happens. When we check out our ONDO chart on Coinbase, from the local top in June all the way until recent times of October, we came down in a massive falling wedge. We then found a base at around 60 cents, and now we are truly in price discovery. Right now, ONDO is trying to make its way to the 1618 target at $2.11. It is going to be choppy along the way. If we're looking to pick up ONDO, we need to be trying to aim for the 50-day moving average. Again, these things don't always have to come. This could continue to grind higher, and for everybody who's waiting or late entrance into the market, they may not be able to get those lower price targets. If we do get any further retests of the 1 fib at $1.49, that is going to be where there's going to be a lot of interest in the market. You can see here already over the past few days where we had the Bitcoin flash crash, ONDO had an amazing wick to the upside. This is what makes a lot of investors very positive that there is strength in the market, and definitely strength in ONDO right now. We're seeing a daily rejection from around that $2 region, but I do believe once we do break the $2 region, we're going to be aiming for clear skies all the way up to around $3 and beyond for ONDO Finance. And those are our 4 picks on the real world asset watch list today. To make sure you don't miss any other videos, pause the video, like it, subscribe, leave us a comment to let us know what your favorite real world asset watch list coin is. And again, to make sure you don't miss out on having a say in what we cover in the next video, follow our X and vote on our upcoming polls. I've been Lamar from Real World Asset Watch List. I'm going to see you in the next one.